Good morning, YouTube. Last night we came south from LA and we decided to stop at this rest area here because it's literally right on the ocean. We stayed here about 8 hours, got some sleep. It's the next morning, and take a look at this view, guys. Well guys, I know it's only been about a month since we got our last oil change, but we actually have put on 5,000 miles. Did cross the country and do a little bit of extra stuff. So today we stopped in here at Jiffy Lube outside of San Diego in California. Gonna get all the fluids topped off. We get the synthetic, there's 520 full synthetic. It's about $80 and they're gonna take care of us. And then we're gonna actually head into Amazon, grab that hot water heater right in San Diego, and we'll get back at you. Well guys, we ordered a hot water heater, like a tankless propane hot water heater online, and we had it sent to an Amazon locker here. And we're gonna pick it up. We're in San Diego at UC San Diego. So we're here at the bookstore. We're gonna walk right inside and use a pet code that we got on our phone and grab our package.
Come along, guys.
Well guys, we got our package. All we had to do is come in here to the bookstore, scan in our little code on our phone, and voila, we got our package. So now we'll have hot water. I'll give you a good review of this here soon, but I'll flip around and let you see what it bought. We thought it was interesting that they actually grow palm trees out here. Pretty cool.
We made it to Slab City.
Well guys, right here's the range. We were here Saturday night. I'm gonna put a little footage in of what we saw here on Saturday night. It was amazing. All the acts and everything, all the live music was really, really nice. So I'll insert a little pic right here, a little video, so you guys can see what a Saturday night here at the Slabs really looks like. Well guys, we're here at Slab City. Check it out. Someone else.
See if this bad boy can fly some way.
Please like, comment, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe below. We'd love to have you follow our journey across the United States. Until next time, have a good day, guys.